Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamantungwa Khumalo. These are the top 3 house hunting mistakes you want to avoid. The first is not knowing what you can afford. You could be looking at a 1 million rand property when you only qualify for 800,000 rands. So find out how much you can afford so that you can make sure that you search for the right priced property. The second is not shopping around. I know you might walk into that first apartment or that first house and you just fall in love. You want to make sure that you view a few so that you're able to compare before you make your final decision. The last one is overlooking important flaws. Be careful not to overlook flaws that could cost you a lot of money to fix once you have the property. For more tips and property advice, go to our blog on www.builders.co.za.